Hello, my name is Kiran Sukhdev Kedare and today I am giving presentation on isolators. Definition of isolator. Electrical isolators separate a part of the system from the rest for safe maintenance works. So the definition of isolator can be written as an isolator is a manually operated mechanical switch which separates a part of the electrical power. Isolators are used to open circuit under no loads. Its main purpose is to isolate one portion of the circuit from the other and it is not intended to be open while current is flowing in the line. Isolators are generally used on both ends of the breaker so that the repair or replacement of circuit breaker can be done without any danger. This is the electrical isolator switch circuit diagram. Specifications of isolator. Operating mechanism. The operating mechanism shall be simple and shall ensure quick and effective thousand operations. The design shall be such as to enable one man to operate it with nominal effort. The operating mechanism box shall be made out of aluminum alloy, section of minimum 3.0 mm thickness. The operating mechanism shall be strong, rigid, and not subject to rebound. Standard. Isolators covered by this specification shall conform to latest edition of IS 9921. Porcelain post insulators for the isolator shall conform to IS 2544, as amended up to a date expect to the extent implicitly modified in the specification. Porcelain post insulator of isolator shall be guided by relevant technical specification of post insulator. Deviation: Normally the offer should be as per technical specification without any deviation. Modification: If any modification felt necessary to improve performance, efficiency and utility of equipment, the same must be mentioned in the modification schedule, with reason duly supported by documentary evidences and advantages. Such modifications suggested may or may not be accepted, but the same must be submitted along with pre-bid queries. The modification not mentioned in schedule will not be considered. These are the structure of isolators. The left one is load bearing structure and the right one is frame structure. Terminal connectors. Terminal connectors shall be suitable for carrying rated current continuously and also the rated short time current without exceeding temperature specified for the main blades. One end rigid and one other end flexible type connectors shall be used. The terminals of disconnecting switches shall be provided with bimetallic terminal connectors suitable for connection to aluminum pipe conductor of an different sizes as per requirement of different voltage classes and relevant approved drawings. Detailed particulars have been indicated in the specification for clamps and connectors in this build document. This is terminal connector, terminal insulator, internal resistance, gasket, central electrode and ground electrode are mentioned in this diagram. Auxiliary switches. All isolators and earthing switches shall be provided with auxiliary switches suitable for 220 plus minus 10% voltage DC and a continuous current carrying capacity of 10 amperes. The contacts of the auxiliary switches shall be used for remote indication of open or closed position in the control panel as well as for electrical interlock with other equipment. These contacts shall be housed in a suitable waterproof cabinet for outdoor use to make it free from dust and prevent ingress of moisture during rain. Degree of protection of the cabinet IP55 as per IS 13947. The number of auxiliary switches shall be determined as per requirement. An indicative number has been specified under specific technical parameters. Make before break and break after break auxiliary switches shall be provided for bus bar differential protection. This is diagram of auxiliary switches. Supporting structure. The isolator shall be placed on rigid self-supporting galvanized supporting structure. The base of the isolator shall be connected to the supporting structure through bolts of proper size as per requirement. Component list of supply. Any fittings, accessories or apparatus which may not even have been mentioned in this specification but which are necessary for efficient operation performance shall be deemed to the include in the contract. Galvanizing: all ferrous parts including nut, bolts, washers and other ferrous parts shall be hot dip galvanized as per relevant IS to withstand at least 6 dips each of the 1 minute duration in copper sulfate solution of requisite strength except threaded portion which should withstand 4 dips each of 1 minute duration. Guarantee: electrical characteristics shall be guaranteed by the bidder. In case of failure of materials to meet the guarantee, WBSETCL shall have right to reject the material. Guaranteed technical particulars are to be submitted by successful bidder during detailed engineering along with submitted drawings and documents. However, format for submission of GTP shall be handed over the intending bidders at the time of sale of tender documents. Earth switch: earthing switches are safety devices which are integral parts of medium voltage switchgear. When a circuit breaker is removed and rack out, the circuit can be earthed by operating this earthing switch. Earthing switches are usually used in conjunction with isolators. When the isolator isolates the circuit, the earthing switches will ensure to discharge any residual charges which may accumulate. Applications of isolator: the applications of isolator include the following. The applications of isolator involved in high voltage devices such as transformers. These are protected with a locking system on an external or with a lock to stop accidental usage. Isolators in substation: when a fault occurs in substation, then isolator cuts out a portion of a substation. Thank you.